A major player in the funeral industry is outlining a list of suggestions to the government as it develops regulations for funeral homes. The head of Tranquility Funeral Home was speaking in an interview with TVJ's Kirk Wright.
Joseph Cornwall Sr. is of the view that too many unregulated funeral establishments have sprung up all over the island and they are killing the industry. On top of that, he says the operations of many funeral homes are not up to par and it could lead to public health issues. Mr. Cornwall knows the government has plans to regulate the industry. He wants demographics to be included in that plan.
In the United States, when an application is made to establish a funeral home, the demographics is taken into consideration. That is, they look at the population and they look at their ages and they look at what is currently existing. And if in their judgment, after doing all the work that they have to do, they will either grant a license for a funeral home to be established or to be located in the local, or they will refuse it.
As it stands now, there are some funeral homes that are located in residential areas. Mr. Cornwall says that should not happen.
If you are opening an office and a showroom in an area that is not designated for the purpose and it doesn't pose a threat, then really I don't see a problem. But if you're going to be establishing a morgue, then that would be where the issues would be, because certainly you would have concerns from the residents.
And with little knowledge about the government's public morgue to be built on Drummond Street near the Kingston Public Hospital, Mr. Cornwall says so far it seems like a good move.
It would be situated at a place where to the hospital, and the hospital operates a morgue there also. So it would be within close proximity of the Kingston Public Hospital. In actual fact, it's the whole penny lodging building that used to be operated by the Salvation Army.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.